Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you for making Youvarlakia. Now Youvarlakia is a traditional Greek meatball soup in egg lemon sauce recipe. Now for this dish the ingredients that we will need are minced meat, onion, rice, parsley, salt, pepper and water. Now for the egg lemon sauce the ingredients that we will need are eggs and lemon. Of course, salt and pepper to taste. Now first take a bowl, add the minced meat, the onion, the parsley, the rice, the pepper, then the salt, and a little bit of olive oil. This is a very comfort food for the cold days of winter. Mix them all together with clean hands, of course. Now that the mixture is ready, take a pot and take a small amount of the mixture. At first put some olive oil on the bottom of your pot and take a small amount of the minced meat and create small balls like a golf ball or even smaller. Continue doing all this until you have used all the meat. Try to keep them the same size. Okay, I will just fast forward the procedure. And when you're done with all this, add the water. I have to say that the water must be warm, not cold, so that the meat is not going to be hard. I prefer to use a pressure cooker because it's going to be cooked very fast. Okay. I put the lid on. Now let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now that Youvarlakia are ready, it's time to make the egg lemon sauce. Now take a bowl, or in this case I took a plastic measurement skillet. Place the 2 egg yolks and 1 egg white. Now you have to add the juices from the Youvarlakia. It's very hot, so you have to do it quickly so that the eggs are not cooked. Because I don't have anyone to film me you can't see anything. I'm out of frame, so that is what I was doing. I kept adding juices from Youvarlakia. Okay, now it's time to add, okay, beat it a few minutes, for a couple of minutes, just to make sure that you can low down the temperature and your eggs are not cooked. And then add the lemon juice. I prefer to be a little sour, so I add the juice of 2 lemons. If you want, you can reduce it to 1 lemon. Keep beating or whisking if you like. And then the aygolemono, as it is called, or egg lemon sauce, it is ready. Okay, put it over Youvarlakia and then give it a swirl and put it on the stove again and let it simmer for 10-15 minutes so that the eggs are fully cooked. By doing this, the sauce will be thick enough so that it gets a thicker consistency. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, give thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Bye!